everybody. So today I'm going to talk about 3 ways to stay in present time or in the moment. The first way is, obviously, you need to focus on doing things that will make you be in the moment. So for instance, exercising, traveling, going to the park, photography, basically a hobby of yours. And if you really enjoy it and if it really keeps you in the moment, I highly recommend you keep doing those things. Second way ties in with the first one is make sure you focus on what you enjoy. There's a saying, time flies when you're having fun. This is so true, especially if this is a hobby of yours. Last but not least is have fun with it. Make sure you share it with your family and friends, and make sure you do this hobby on a daily basis. So that concludes this video for today. If you have any questions or concerns, please respond below, and otherwise I will see you in the next video. Goodbye!